presence of the Lord and mindful of the deliberations of the council, the following decisions were unanimously taken for the growth and expansion of the work of God.
Dans sa dernière session de décembre 2017, le Conseil national de l'Église apostolique du Cameroun s'est réuni. Sous la conduite du Saint-Esprit, après prière et délibération, les décisions suivantes ont été prises pour le progrès de l'œuvre de Dieu.
Article 1. The new constitution of the Apostolic Church Cameroon was adopted by the National Council and will go operational as from 1st January 2018.
Article 1. La nouvelle constitution de l'Église apostolique fut adoptée et sera opérationnelle à compter du 1er janvier 2018.
The adoption exercise took place on Monday, 21st of August 2017 at the national headquarters of the Apostolic Church Cameroon.
La séance d'adoption a eu lieu le 21 juin 2017 au siège de l'Église apostolique du Cameroun.
Article 2.
Article 2.
The Constitution shall be printed and published in English and French.
La Constitution sera imprimée puis publiée en français et en anglais.
Article 1. Apostleship. The following pastors have been set aside for the holy apostolic office of the church, which is the body of Christ. They are Reverend Sunday Musamai Mbote, Reverend Mark Petenyo, Reverend Mana Joseph, Reverend Kemife Theodore.
Les révérends Sunday Mbote, Mana Joseph, Kemife Theodore ont été mis à part comme apôtres de l'Église apostolique du Cameroun.
Appointments. Appointment. National President Reverend Enoch John Apostle has been appointed as the National President of the Apostolic Church Cameroon.
Le révérend Enoch John l'apôtre a été reconnu, nommé comme président de l'Église apostolique du Cameroun.
Reverend Sunday Musamai Mbote Apostle has been appointed the National Vice President of the Apostolic Church Cameroon.
Le révérend apôtre Musamai Sunday Mbote a été nommé vice-président national de l'Église apostolique du Cameroun.
They will function in these capacities as from 1st January 2018.
Ils prendront effectivement fonction à partir du 1er janvier 2018.
Assistant Superintendent
Surintendant adjoint.
Reverend Ngoto Thomas de Linga and Reverend Tabi Martin have been appointed as Assistant Field Superintendent.
Les révérends Dr. Dilonga Thomas et Tabi Martin ont été nommés surintendants adjoints.
Assistant Supervisors.
Superviseur adjoint.
Reverend Okaibu Joachim and Reverend Simo Gabriel have been appointed as Assistant Supervisor.
Révérend Okaibu Joachim et Révérend Simo Gabriel ont été nommés superviseurs adjoints.
They will function in these capacities as from 1st January 2018.
Leurs fonctions seront effectives à compter du 1er janvier 2018.
Apostolic Bilingual Seminary Rectorate.
Rectorat du séminaire apostolique bilingue.
Reverend Eka Martin has been appointed rector of the Apostolic Bilingual Seminary and will function in that capacity as from 1st January 2018.
Le révérend Eka Martin a été nommé recteur du séminaire apostolique bilingue et prendra fonction effectivement à compter du 1er janvier 2018.
Reverend Kwesi Etienne has been appointed as vice rector of the Apostolic Bible of the India Seminary and will function in that capacity as from 1st January 2018.
Le révérend Kwesi Etienne a été nommé recteur adjoint, vice-recteur du séminaire apostolique bilingue et prendra effectivement fonction à compter du 1er janvier 2018.
National Finance Secretary.
Secrétariat aux finances.
Reverend Mana Joseph has been appointed the National Finance Secretary of the Apostolic Church and will function in that capacity as from 1st January 2018.
Le révérend Mana Joseph a été nommé secrétaire financier national de l'Église apostolique et prendra effectivement fonction à compter du 1er janvier 2018.
National Director of Communication. Reverend Oposin David has been appointed as National Director of Communication and will function in capacity as from 1st January 2018.
Le révérend David Oposin a été nommé directeur national de la communication de l'Église apostolique du Cameroun et prendra effectivement fonction à compter du 1er janvier 2018.
National Chief of Service for Communication. Raymond Jume Njikan has been appointed as National Chief of Service for Communication and will function in that capacity as from 1st January 2018.
Chef service au bureau national chef service de la communication au bureau national, le frère Raymond a été nommé à ce poste et prendra effectivement fonction à compter du 1er janvier 2018.
Daniel Epupu Mokwe has been appointed as Chief of Technical Service and will function in that capacity as from 1st January 2018.
Le frère Raymond Epupu a été nommé chef service de la chaîne de télévision Glorious TV et fonctionnera en cette capacité à compter du 1er janvier 2018.
Field Council members.
Membres du Conseil national.
The following brethren have been appointed as field council members. They are Reverend Maya Titus and Elder Barrister Ivo Seni, Mbi Matthew, All right. The following members, the following brethren have been appointed as field council members in their different fields.
Les frères, les personnes dans les noms suivants ont été nommés membres de leur conseil, membres des conseils de leur champ.
Reverend Maya Titus and Elder Barrister Ivo Nseli for Field 3, Elder Mbi Matthew for Field 4, Bella Joseph for Field 5, Elder Ben Modika and Elder Sombe Simon for Field 10. They will function in that capacity as from 1st January 2018.
Les personnes dont vous avez entendu les noms vont fonctionner dans ces capacités à compter du 1er janvier 2018.
Budget Committee. The following brethren have been appointed as Budget Committee members and will function in that capacity as from 1st January 2018. They are Anicho Emmanuel, Mana Joseph, Kitindia Sam, Dr. Apostle David, Magistrate Forche, Edward, George Fombi, Tambi Daniel Mbu, Barrister Ivan Seni, Awa Simon Abe, Emil Dometwa and Aaron Agorechi. Ordination to the pastorate. The following pastors will be ordained in the year 2018 to the office of the holy ministry of the church, and will be commended to the grace of God to the discharge of all their duties as minister of the gospel. They are Pize Ignatius, Nicolas Sunday, Pastor Feju Robert, Pastor Fortu Eric, Pastor Samuel Ayon Abo, Pastor Esomba Thomas, Pastor Passun Biba, Pastor Nkono Jean Daniel, Pastor Mando Christopher, Pastor Fred Collins Omechamba, Pastor Nkenawum Simon, Pastor Taku Alfred Yonge, Pastor Chinda Jean, Pastor Ndele Clement Epierre, Pastor Aju Felix Foba, Pastor Obi Joseph, Pastor Fobo Samuel, Pastor Ngwasiri Ezekiel, Pastor Legend Kensley, Pastor Njine Albert, Pastor Emmanuel Okon Ekin, Pastor Willie Simon Akwan, Pastor Ambomo Oleme, Pastor Friday Fele Barabol, Pastor Aniedi Ben Akwan, Pastor Butame Panel Mbeno, Pastor Akwamsin Paul Akwan, Pastor Oliver Ngoe, Pastor Wilson Kalu Okoro, Pastor Pastor Ako Stephen, Pastor Bitvede Jonas, Pastor Kwanye Clement, Pastor Mefre Pendere Roger Newport Alao Abednego has been called to full-time ministry and promoted to assistant pastor, and will function in that capacity in 2018. New districts and centers. The following districts and centers have been created and will operate as from 1st January 2018. Makene Center, Bayomben Center, Ombesa Center. That is in field 12. Then field 5, Barrow made up of Barrow, Eka, and Sire. Ogomoko made up of Ogomoko and Mbato. Makat made up of Makat, Mbakat, and Osere. Okoroba made up of Okoroba and Okoroba, Bakoko, and Mbinda. Tabo. Retirement. The following pastors have been retired and from full-time ministry with the Apostolic Church Cameroon, and it will take effect at 31st December 2017. They are Godwin Bechen Egwe, Pastor Rengu Robert, anticipated retirement. Resignation. The following pastors have resigned from the ministry and the service with the Apostolic Church Cameroon. They are Reverend Abombe Dieudonné, Pastor Tala Paris, Pastor Aben Jefta, and Pastor Caleb Chebi Akomwe. The following transfer. The following pastors have been the following pastors of the Apostolic Church Cameroon have been transferred with effect from 1st January 2018. They are Apostle Dr. Tivimbi from Field 1 to Field 2. Apostle Dr. Eno, Apostle E.J. Eno from Field 2 to Field 1. On behalf of the National Council of the Apostolic Church Cameroon, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2018 in advance.